I feel like I'm a news presenter.
Ready?
Hello and welcome back to the Look Fantastic YouTube channel.
Today we're going to be running you through all of our favourite beauty advent calendars available on Look Fantastic this Christmas.
Make sure to like this video if you enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any more of our Christmas content.
And stick around till the end because we're going to be giving 5 advent calendars away to 5 lucky subscribers.
So, first advent calendar we have to show you is from Beauty Works.
So this Beauty Works advent calendar is worth £120, but you can buy it for $79.99 and you get 24 doors in this. So it's going to take you all the way up till Christmas Day. Should we take a little delve inside?
I think
what
we
we've got? I think so too. Okay, so
I think let's go straight in with 24 because I
Everyone
feel
wants
like
to
that's
know.
the best one. I can't open it. Oh,
okay, so we've got a full-size product here.
So here we have the Beauty Works 10-in-1 Miracle Spray. Okay, let's open another one. I say we go for number 22.
22.
Ooh.
So you've got a gorgeous gold comb here. These are actually better for your hair than like normal brushes.
Yeah.
So that's a really nice gift to have. I'm thinking let's try number 13.
Okay.
Oh,
Another brush.
another mini brush. This would be perfect to like put in your like handbag to take
Yeah,
to
it's
work.
a travel size. I think these
Yeah.
are really good as well if you've got wet hair, I find.
Yeah.
They're easier to use.
Okay, should we do one more?
Yeah, one more.
Go on, you choose.
I think 15.
15.
Oh,
This
I
one
think
is a
this
good
is
one.
the oil.
Argan oil serum. Yeah, I've heard such good things about this, and I think it's full size as well.
Yeah, that's definitely full size.
I've seen Molly May use this on some of her vlogs, and obviously her hair is gorgeous.
Yeah, it really
so
is.
long
Isn't she an
and-
ambassador for Beauty Works?
Yeah.
Yeah, she is. So it must be good.
You know it's good. Molly May approved.
Okay, next, this has got to be one of my absolute favourites, and it is the MAC Advent Calendar. I always love their Advent calendars, and this year I feel like the box itself is like really
So
cool.
pretty.
Wow.
And you can reuse this as well.
Yeah, definitely, and you could make your own Advent calendars
Yeah.
for the years to
The
come.
MAC one always has such good products in, so let's take a look
It
inside.
does. I'm sure there's loads of full-size products in
Yeah.
here as well. Oh.
Oh! Look at that!
I think
Put your hand on one and I'll spin it
Okay.
round. Ready?
13.
Number 13.
Oh, I absolutely love this product. So this is the MAC lip gloss. It's non-sticky at all. It goes well over any lipstick. So I feel like this is an absolute staple from MAC,
Yeah.
and it's a full size.
I feel like this is such a cult product as well. Like you can put this over any kind of lip liner or lipstick and it's just going to give you like a really gorgeous glossy finish.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, stop.
16.
Oh, is this the strobe cream?
Oh, I
Yes,
love the
another
strobe
cult
creams.
product from
Yeah.
MAC. Strobe cream, you can use it under your makeup, you can use it as highlighter, and it's just going to give you like a gorgeous everyday glow.
I'm just like,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, right. Do you want to put your finger out and I'll spin it again?
Okay. Oh, number 6.
Number 6.
Oh my god, so this is a full-size product. I think this is the mineralized blush. Yeah, it is. So this is such a gorgeous colour as well. It's like a mauvey. If I can open.
Yeah, it's kind of like peachy. I feel like that would suit all skin tones.
Yeah, definitely. This is such a lovely colour. And I like how it's got like a light shimmer in it as well. So that is another really good product and another full size. So the MAC Advent Calendar is actually only £135.
But you get over £340 worth of products inside all of these drawers.
Which is incredible,
Yeah.
might I add. Keep hydrated, kids.
Stay hydrated.
The next one we wanted to look at is number 15, and it is
It's
a
a
mini
lipstick.
lipstick. This one is in the shade Ruby Woo. This is a classic from MAC. If you
Yeah.
don't have this, then you definitely need to try it.
Perfect for Christmas as well. Like it's such a festive shade.
Yeah, they have loads of different shades of lipstick in here, from nudes to reds, so definitely perfect for the festive season. So I think we've shown you... I think
Enough.
enough of this one. So yeah, if you are going to pick up any advent calendar from the ones that we're showing you today, I would definitely pick up the MAC one, as it's definitely one of our favourites, isn't it?
If you're buying this for yourself or for someone that loves makeup, this is definitely like such a good choice.
And if you're not really into MAC, this is like the perfect sort of starter kit for you to try some of the products from MAC.
So yeah, love this one.
So next, thought we'd move on to body care, and this massive advent calendar.
Look how luxury this is.
Is from Rituals. This isn't the best bit either. Let's open it up.
It gets
and
better.
See inside. So this is the Rituals advent calendar.
This is so gorgeous.
We love this so much. If this, like, imagine having this under your tree.
Yeah.
Ready to open on the 1st of
It's a cute little
December.
piece of decor as well, like for the festive period.
It's so pretty and it smells so good.
So it does smell. It smells amazing. So the products inside of here add up to £120, but you can buy it for £59.90, which I think is such a good deal.
This is definitely one of the more affordable advent calendars that we've got on site, and I have to say it's probably one of my favourites.
So what do you get in here? It's a mix of...
You get loads in here. So we've got mixes of candles, body products, hair products. There's absolutely everything in here.
Yeah.
Should we delve in?
Let's delve in. Let's
delve
take
in.
a closer look.
I'll hold this here for you and you can
okay.
undo it if you want.
I feel like 23 is calling my name, so
okay.
I've never actually tried anything from Rituals, so I feel like this would be a really nice one to just get you into the brand. So first thing we have is a balancing body cream. I bet this smells amazing.
All of the Rituals products smell amazing.
Indian rose and sweet almond oil. Oh, just imagine
they're all very like calming scents as well.
Yeah.
Really nice for like spa days. It's very spa-like brand, I would say.
Yeah, that would make you smell amazing.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna go for number 5. A miniature candle. How cute
Oh
is
my
that?
god, that is lovely.
Oh,
how's that?
Oh my god.
Oh, that's a really relaxing scent.
It is.
What
I feel
is that?
very
Like
zen
citrus.
right now.
I'm the kind of person that like keeps these as well, like keeps little containers like after you finish the candle.
What are you gonna put in that?
You could put little like
Q-tips on your little dressing table, maybe.
Seriously gonna put Q-tips in that tiny little thing.
reuse, recycle.
Reuse, reduce, recycle.
Let's go 24. Let's go big. Ooh. What is this? Oh, you get a nice hand lotion.
Oh, I absolutely love hand creams.
Instant Care hand lotion.
That's a full-size product as well. And can I just say, this is a perfect time of year to have hand cream because we're all going to get dry hands, so keep hydrated.
You don't want those crusty, dusty hands.
No, we don't.
Keep them hydrated.
I'll just show one more and then I think we will have seen enough from this advent calendar. So I think I'm going to go for number 2. So this is a flourishing hair and body mist. So you can use this on your body to smell nice and in your hair. Should we get a little spritz?
In the eyes. That is nice. That's refreshing, that. I feel like that's the kind of thing as well that you'd never just buy for yourself. So it's nice to like get it as a little gift.
It's in the scent Cherry Blossom. It smells really fresh.
Okay, so that's a little sneak peek into what's in the Rituals calendar.
Loves it.
Oh, this one's big.
Whoa! Okay.
Okay, so here we've got the Mankind Advent Calendar.
How much is this one worth, Safe? Let me check.
Whoa.
Whoa! Whoa!
I'll get your genuine reaction to this.
Okay, go on.
Okay.
I'm ready to hear it.
So, to buy this calendar, it is £100. But Meg, take a guess. What do you think the worth is of all the products inside of this?
£215.
Ooh. It's over £444 worth of products.
That is a steal.
They're not messing around.
They're not messing around.
They're really giving you a good
All right,
worth
then,
for your
come
money
on.
here.
Show me what's in here, then. Let's see what's inside. God! Whoa. We have 25, if you can see. 25. And we have not seen that yet today, have we?
No, this
we
is
have
the first
this
of
is the
its
first.
kind.
And it's only £100. Is it 100?
Yeah,
All right.
100.
Okay, let's delve in.
So this one is large and in charge.
This is large and in charge.
Honestly, you're getting your bang for your buck with this one.
She's got all the puns today, guys.
Let's start with...
Are your arms long enough to reach?
Let's start with Numbrero 11. got a lovely molten
Oh,
brown
I love molten
bath
brown.
and shower gel in the orange and bergamot.
And that is a full size, is it?
Yeah,
I think that's a full size. Molten brown products, if you didn't know, get to know. They smell incredible. Oh god, that's good.
Oh, that's nice. And like, I would like that scent on a man as well.
Yeah, same. And for myself, I would definitely love this for myself. I'd say this is for everyone. It's so nice.
Yeah.
So yeah, these are actually quite pricey as well, aren't they? I swear they're like £14.
Yeah.
Or maybe even more. Can you see me? Maybe even more. I'm going to go for number one because it's easy for me to reach.
Ooh.
So this is the God, I'm shaking. This is the anti-fatigue. This is the anti-fatigue eye gel by Man Cave.
Nice.
So nice little eye cream if you're tired.
We can all do with a bit of eye cream, you know, wake up the under eyes.
Get rid of those bags. So yeah, that's another good product.
Okay, right, I'm going to have to stand up for this one.
Let's open 25, so come on.
Do it.
We need to see what we're going to open on Christmas Day.
Oh, okay, we've got a full-size product here.
Go on.
We've got the Jack Black hand cream with vitamins A and E.
Oh, wow. It's
There you go.
For a hand cream, that's hefty, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a hefty size. So
This will take you through to next year, and then
This is going to see you for 3 years straight.
Mankind advent calendar.
Yeah. So I'm going to go number 13. Oh.
What's
Do you
that?
want to read that one out, so?
What?
In here we have the Below the Belt Grooming for Men Fresh and Dry Balls 4th edition.
So, for all the sporty men in your life, this is for them.
Not sure what this does, but...
It keeps everything below the belt fresh. You know? Keeps it fresh, keeps it smelling nice.
Cool and fresh, nice.
Yeah.
So yeah. If you didn't think you needed that, maybe you do.
There you go. Nothing says Merry Christmas.
Below the belt.
Next, this is our final one.
This is a big one.
Woo!
And it's a good one. I feel like we went with our favourite for last, which is obviously the Look Fantastic Advent Calendar.
So this calendar has a worth of over £414, but you can buy it for £85. So that's such good value for money. Yeah.
That is really good value for money. And you do, again, get the whole 25 boxes, which is so good.
Okay, let's pick the first one. I'm going to go with number 9. Ooh, and it's from NARS.
Oh, we love NARS.
Oh, it's the Orgasm Blush. Yes. This is so good if you haven't tried this.
Yeah, it's so good. I love the colour of it. They also do a liquid version of it as well, which I'm obsessed with. I feel like it's a really universal shade as well. That's going to look good on all skin tones. So I'm going to go for number 10 because I feel like it's quite a big one. Oh, it's a candle. I love candles.
Rituals.
This is from Rituals. So as you would have seen the Rituals Advent earlier, we've got this in our Advent calendar as well.
Nice.
This smells incredible.
That is really nice.
That is so good. Okay, let me pick a good one then. Surely 25's got to be a good one. Surely.
Oh, this looks like a full size.
This is a full size, and this is from S-Bar. So this is the Clean and Green Detox Mask. I feel like another great one for party season.
Yeah, need a good detox.
Should we smell it?
Oh, love that colour.
Oh, God, it smells really nice.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's a little
There we go. There's a little
peek.
sneak peek. Definitely check this one out because I feel like the brands in there are really good this year.
So, Meg, how generous are you feeling?
I'm feeling pretty generous.
I'm feeling quite generous too. So I think we should do
a giveaway.
A cheeky giveaway.
Cheeky giveaway. So if you want the chance to win one of these advent calendars, all you have to do is like this video, comment down below your Instagram handle so we can contact the winners.
Yeah, and let us know which of these advent calendars is your favourite and which one you'd want to win.
And don't forget to subscribe as well to the Look Fantastic YouTube channel. So if you want to enter the giveaway, we'll have all of the information in the description, and we just wanted to say good luck to everyone who enters. So those were all of our favourite advent calendars stocked on Look Fantastic.
Yeah, and we'll have all of the products linked below if you want to go and shop them.
We really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.
Yeah, see you in the next video, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
And that's a wrap.
That's a that's a whap.
That's a wrap.